right thing to do.
Menteri Ketenat Public Health Engineering Umakus and marak hagasni baar ulo ang ba kajing peterkam ya Jal Jeevan Mission hapok meklia kalongsan pendiri point like kendai na kasispa. Habakran sekilat petai kubor ulo ang ba haduk menta ladap ban penbiang yajing penyesok korum syalailak Nriu penyo hajar sauspak saputeli kilong yeng na kah nriu lak san puwe hajar sanspak san pendiri teli kiba labu thang. Kat kum kajing tu marak kilayo ya kajing aipor kabalong hau benai kala lengkot jong senam hajar arsau ban penbiang ya kajing penyesok korum syabarok kita kilong yeng. Ulo ang bakatnat menta kadang ap ya kajing penyesok boarding hakat tu kan ni kisnong ha East Khasi Hills, East Janta Hills, West Janta Hills, South West Khasi Hills bat hakat tu kan ni district Harilum Garo. Oleh tu ru ba namar ba kajing siang ya ki pipe kaladap katenat kan salak ban penbiang ya kajing pensok korum syakum ba prapo hajar teli kilong yeng andalayo boarding.
With regard to Jal Jeevan Mission implementation in Meghalaya, we have touched around 56.39% so far. So we are doing well, but there are some districts we are stuck up because of in need of power connections. So once the power connections are done, we will jump the numbers because around 80,000 household will be connected once the power connection is completed.
Menteri Rang Bakajala ukon rat ke